What's up, fellow Jeepers? Welcome back to Jeep Time Videos, aka Jeep TV. Today we are working on Doug's Jeep. We're going to be doing the lights, and we're going to be taking care of this grill and a few more little upgrades. So stay tuned, check it out. Hope you like this video. We got the Jeep grill off, and we are now about to remove Doug's headlights. So we are using a T15. Do not lose those screws. Does your lights have the DRL on them, or are they just regular, just black, like it's plug and play?
I have no idea.
Yay!
Oh, okay. How many is there? 4?
Yeah, 4. This right here is your adjuster here. So that's one thing I don't think I've ever showed anybody how to do is adjust it. I don't know if my drop is flat enough or not. Right, so pop that little red ring.
How hard can it be to do this?
Hey, why don't you just twist it and pull it out? Aftermarket, this might be pretty nice. Somebody might want those, like my trash can.
Yeah, you can have them if you want. Feed them to it.
Let's see what we got. Hopefully this is directions. They have directions.
The wiring.
Wiring. You plug and play. Alright. I've done this before, so we should be good. Oh, these are nice. Oh, sweet. Let's see. Let's go and unwrap that. Let's unwrap this. Pretty daggum heavy duty. These things are thick, man. Nice metal. And it's actually not matte black around it, it's actually shiny black around it.
Will you even see that? Yeah, you can see that.
Yeah, you'll be able to see it. Yeah. Nice. Alright, so we're going to look at some of the lighting. So it did come with an anti-flicker kit, which is awesome. You always want that. I haven't had any issues with mine just yet. This right here is an adapter.
Yeah.
And then these wires right here are actually supposed to be for your DRL, I do believe. So we need to look at that. So that way your these top, lower, and upper.
For high beam and low beam, I guess.
No, it's whenever you're in park. It'll actually those little slashes will glow.
Oh yeah, I want them then.
Yeah. Okay, cool. We're gonna get these in. We'll check it out. Alright, for this to wire it properly, you have your light, you have the plug-in for the light to go into your anti-flicker kit. From your anti-flicker kit, it's going to go into your adapter, and I don't remember what this is. I think it's, what'd you say, H14?
It's a 9007 for the 9007 bulb, or the H4.
H4? I don't know. I'm not like super electrical light guy, but anyways, everything seems to be pretty nice and put together with this kit. So anyways, we're going to string it all together and throw them in, and then we'll look at wiring up the running lights.
Oh, I messed this up.
Alright, so the headlight, we got it wired in. We've gone ahead and run a wire for our DRL running lights. We've got our anti-flicker kit, and then we've got it nice and zip tied in because obviously I don't trust these things. So. And they're pretty loose, aren't they, Doug?
Yeah, they are.
So we've already tested the lights. The lights work. Come on. So the next thing to do is just to get these mounted up, get all of this shoved back in there, zip tied up really nice, of course, and then we will power up the DRL, test the DRL, and then go from there. Alright, so right now we're interchanging blinker bulbs from a 2007 from a 2014, and it's actually, the bulb won't fit into the 2007, but the actual, it feels really loose.
The pigtail would.
The actual.
I don't know what you're feeling.
Anyway, so yeah, it actually will plug in. So, but the bulb won't.
Oh, you was feeling that, I bet you.
Oh. Alright. Go ahead and flip the blinkers again, see if it throws a code or something. Alright, that one works. That one works. Then we're good. And you may want to hang on to these just in case it.
Yeah, just in case.
Just in case something happens.
Okay.
So the reason why we're having to change those out is because Doug bought a clear lens or clear bulb. We're putting these clear lenses in to, you know, update it, and you can't have a white light. It's gotta be amber. So, anyways. Alright, so he's got his round lights on. And we have wired in, and we are on the middle wire for this 2007, just like on the other JK. So that's still good to go. We got to get the zip tied, and then we're going to go ahead and get everything put up, and these will be done. So, yep. Alright, we got the lights in. We're almost there. Almost done. Kind of. Because we're going to take Doug's grill. It's got a lot of bug debris, and the paint's starting to fade and chip and stuff. So what we're going to do is we're going to give it a light sanding, and then we're actually going to Plasti-Dip this Jeep grill to give it a, you know, rejuvenate it back so it's not all bugged up and scuffed up and rough looking. Anyways. I think that's like a 2000 grit sandpaper.
I say this don't feel like sandpaper.
Do what?
I say this don't feel like sandpaper, but it's cutting it down.
Yeah. Looks good. So we've got 3 or 4 coats. 4. So there's 4 coats of Plasti-Dip on here, and I mean, you guys saw how just kind of nicked up it was. This is, you know, you can still see some of it, but most of it, for the most part, it's kind of just been masked in the Plasti-Dip. So we're gonna let it dry a minute, and then we'll get it on the Jeep, and we'll do a final look at what it looks like. Douglas, what do you think?
I like it.
It's pretty badass.
It is. Looks a lot better than it did.
So we're saying this is a 100% upgrade.
Yeah.
What it was before.
Oh yeah.
That's it. Guys, thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and check out some of their other videos. Thank you guys. Peace out. Keep Jeeping.